guys, I am going to see more to meet a friend. We're actually like talking about some things and we find it fit to meet. So I'm just, doing something simple, wearing something simple. Now, I'll show you my
Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Go, baby, at last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but
Yo, Ranny,
So we are at no, I don't think this is
It is
we are at the settlement of the misplaced people of Mepe.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So this is the settlement they are living in now. So this was a quick build for them to live in. There are 21 others like these. There are 12,000 people misplaced. So we are here to present items to them. Hold my hand foundation. Feel free to donate anything that you want to donate to me, because you have to ease their burdens.
Put you waiting, I look daddy. I ain't got that much.
So we're on the island. It's sunset. Oh, this is so beautiful. Let's see if you're going to get a proper view of this.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna.
I mean, the cottages are cute. The huts, they're very cute. So this is, I think, Maranatha Beach Resort. Water. That's the Water River where the sea meets the Water River. It's a beautiful place.